Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best hedgehog in a cage puzzle is probably one of the most intriguing and challenging brain teasers to hit the market, offering a unique blend of spatial reasoning and problem solving that will test your wits and dexterity as you attempt to navigate the intricate pathways and free the elusive hedgehog from its perplexing prison, making it an ideal choice for anyone seeking a mentally stimulating and rewarding experience that goes beyond the ordinary. Number 5. Learning Resources Spike the Fine Motor Hedgehog. This toy helps toddlers strengthen their hand muscles. It also enhances hand-eye coordination as they remove and place the colorful pieces. Perfect for ages 18 months and up, it evolves from simple play to teaching colors, counting, and pattern recognition. The specially designed quills have an easy grip texture that captivates children's attention. This encourages focus and concentration while providing tactile stimulation. Numbered holes create opportunities for learning number identification, counting, and color matching. It's all done through playful exploration. It includes a storage compartment inside to keep all the quills organized. This makes cleanup easy and ensures no pieces get lost. What we like. This toy is fantastic for developing fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination in toddlers. It also grows with your child, offering activities from simple play to counting and pattern recognition. If you are looking for a toy that provides engaging sensory play and promotes cognitive development for younger children, this is a great choice. What people say. The pieces are colorful, easy to hold, and safe for little hands. It helps practice hand-eye coordination as they place the spikes into the hedgehog's holes. Plus, all the pieces store neatly inside the toy, which makes cleanup super easy. The back easily comes off for storage of the pins. The back snaps on fairly good, so you could throw this in a toy bag to take in the car without losing any pieces. So far it's been super easy to clean and wipe down. Doesn't require any assembly or batteries. It also makes zero noise. The spikes themselves have little grips on the end that make it easy for their little hands to grab. I'm happy I found a toy my son actually likes, as they are always a hit or miss. Number 4. Osmo Genius Starter Kit. Introducing the Osmo Genius Starter Kit, an innovative educational system designed for children aged 6 to 10. It brings learning to life through engaging games. Experience the magic of Osmo, where physical game pieces interact with your iPad, making learning fun and hands-on. No Wi-Fi is needed for gameplay. This system is designed for a wide range of abilities, from beginner to expert, allowing children to continuously develop their skills. Explore 5 exciting educational apps: Numbers, Tangram, Words, Newton, and Masterpiece. Each game offers unique ways to learn and play. The kit includes the Osmo base and reflector for iPad, along with all the game pieces and apps needed to start your learning adventure. It's compatible with most iPads, ensuring a seamless experience for your child's educational journey. Please check compatibility details before purchase. What we like. This kit offers an award-winning learning experience where children interact with physical pieces and an iPad to bring games to life. It teaches a wide range of subjects from shapes and physics to drawing and math. If you are looking for a comprehensive STEM learning system that makes education fun and interactive for kids aged 5 to 12, this is an excellent option. What people say. Tangram, this one is a winner. My kid had so much fun playing this game, it's almost her favorite. It comes with the tandem pieces in different shapes and colors, and you have to put them together to create a figure. The app will help and guide you all the way, which is so fun and helpful. Numbers, such a great game for math skills. There's a whole lot of basic math work, adding, subtracting, and when it got to multiplying and the numbers got a little higher, we had to stop. Osmo has become a daily part of our life. Number 3. Coogam Wooden Hexagon Puzzle. Unlock a world of creativity with this geometric IQ game. It offers endless possibilities for building and problem solving, going beyond simple instructions to create amazing works of art. This brain puzzle features 7 colors and 14 uniquely shaped blocks. It's designed to be a fun and engaging way to learn, with a detailed instruction guide included for beginners. Crafted from natural basswood with a smooth finish, this toy ensures safe play. It's a wonderful, hands-on alternative to screen time. Its simple yet colorful design sparks imagination and creativity. Practicing fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and spatial thinking has never been more fun. Perfect for both puzzle enthusiasts and beginners, this toy makes learning feel like playing with math. It's an ideal gift that encourages arrangement and combination skills for all ages. What we like. This wooden hexagon puzzle offers endless possibilities for building and creativity, providing a great workout for the brain. Made from high-quality, natural wood, it's a safe and engaging alternative to screen time. If you enjoy geometric challenges and want a toy that sparks imagination and develops spatial thinking for both kids and adults, this is a perfect fit. What people say. It is very educational, sturdy, and fun to use with a timer. It's a brain teaser and much harder than it looks. I use it for pediatric therapy sessions and it really promotes interactive and cognitive thinking skills to solve. It does come with a cheat sheet you can copy to put in some pieces and work from there. Makes it easy to grade this activity from beginner to advanced. The colors are nice and vibrant and it felt like decent quality. Number 2. Osmo Pizza Company. Game. Welcome to Osmo Pizza Company. This award-winning game brings learning to life through magical interaction between physical pieces and your iPad. It's a fun way to build essential skills. In this game, you'll create pizzas for customers, handle payments, and learn about managing money. It's a fantastic way to understand business and practice math skills. You'll learn addition, subtraction, fractions, and fast-paced mental math. Plus, you'll gain valuable experience in running a business and developing critical thinking. Designed for children aged 5 to 12 and beyond, this game adapts to different skill levels. It provides real-time feedback to encourage learning through experimentation in a stress-free way. The game includes everything you need to get started: an Osmo base and reflector, pizza pieces, toppings, money tiles, and the Pizza Company game app. Just add your compatible iPad. Setting up is simple, and the gameplay is intuitive. Watch as your actions with the physical pieces come to life on the screen, making learning an exciting adventure. What we like. This game makes learning about business math, money, and fractions incredibly fun through interactive pizza making. Children learn to take orders, make change, and understand profitability in a stress-free environment. If you want your child aged 5 to 12 to develop real-world business and math skills in an engaging way, this is a highly recommended choice. What people say. You can set the mode to only make pizzas, or to make pizzas along with having to give customers change. Then, you can control whether you want to use coins or just dollars, and if you are using coins, which coins you want to be included in the change. It's a fun concept of working out the visual logic of object placement and reading the emotional and vocal cues of the customers, and then working out the math of the money they pay versus the amount of change they are due. There are several levels of difficulty, from whole numbers down to cents. It comes with trays to keep things organized and so it's easy to store. Number 1. Bits and Pieces Easy Atom Disentanglement Metal Puzzle. Elevate your thinking and logical reasoning skills with our unique brain teaser puzzle. It's expertly designed to exercise your mind and stimulate your cognitive abilities. This clever metal brain teaser challenges you to separate the atomic nucleus from its orbiting electrons. Then, the real fun begins as you try to put it back together. Crafted from premium aluminum, this engaging brain teaser offers an optimal experience and lasting durability. Its compact size makes it perfect for on-the-go fun. Give your eyes a rest from screens and enjoy a more wholesome, tactile gaming experience. A solution guide is included for when you need a little help. Spark curiosity and awe with this one-of-a-kind metal puzzle. It makes a perfect gift for birthdays, anniversaries, or Christmas. Measuring just 3 to 1/4 inches on all sides, it's easy to take this puzzle anywhere. Enjoy a challenging and rewarding experience wherever you go. What we like. This metal brain teaser puzzle is designed to sharpen your thinking and logical reasoning skills with its unique trapped metal ball design. Crafted from premium aluminum, it offers a tactile and engaging experience away from screens. If you are looking for a challenging and portable puzzle that provides a great mental workout for adults, this is an excellent choice for on-the-go fun. What people say. Interesting puzzle, lots of fun when you figured out all it takes a few seconds to get the sphere in and out of the cage. These puzzles are heavy, feel great in the hand and offer a slight challenge for everyone who likes puzzles. This metal puzzle arrived today, and it's incredibly fun. It's very solid and looks great on my shelf. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.